Yes, hello everybody, welcome to my quick review, a quick tutorial about Android 2.3.6, the newest Android update which came via OTA, I think yesterday, to my Nexus S here in Germany. And let me verify this so you can trust me that, okay, there we are, that I'm telling the truth. Android version 2.3.6, it's working on my Nexus S. It's i9023, the European Super Clear LCD version of my Nexus S with the latest build number, which you can see over there. Okay, so another check. As you can see, my Nexus S is connected via the shipped USB cable to my laptop. We can follow the cable, so it's over there, plugged in a free USB connection port, and and also you can see on my Nexus S that the USB connection is available to my to my laptop. Okay. The Android 2.3.6 update told us there's no really changelog. They told us that they implemented several bug fixes. They implemented a bug fix especially for voice search, and that's it. Okay, a short update, but from the update size you can see I think it was only 17 megabytes update, so it should be a very small update with only some bug fixes and maybe stability optimization, I don't know. Okay, back to my laptop. At the moment, two active network connections are working. This is my normal network connector via cable, the LAN connector, which is still connected, and the Wi-Fi wireless LAN connector, which is not connected actually to my wireless LAN network. Okay, let me check that DSL connection is working. I open a fresh Chrome browser. As you can see, Google is available, Facebook is available, YouTube is available, so internet is working from this side. Well, now I deactivate the LAN connection over here. This is disabled, you can see it. So from now on I'm not able to access the internet right now. As you can see, Facebook's not available, YouTube's not available, or Google is not available. Okay, I can close this again. And now I came back to my Nexus S and tried to enable the tethering option on Android 2.3.6. From different forums and blogs, reviews, and unofficial changelogs, you heard already that tethering is deactivated on Android 2.3.6. From my point of view, I cannot verify this statement, and this video is my intention to show you that tethering is working on the newest version of Android. Well, I'm still connected via USB. I go to my wireless and network settings. Then I have here the tethering option, and the USB tethering option is at the moment deactivated. I'll activate it. Okay, you can see tethering hotspot is active. Okay, and back to my laptop, you can see in the network connections overview that there's a additional network connection right now, the remote connection, the modem connection, as you can say, to my Samsung Google Nexus S. This is already connected. I'm opening right now a fresh Chrome browser over there, and as you can see, it's loading, and Google is available, YouTube is available, and Facebook is available. So I think this video shows you that tethering is available on Android 2.3.6, and I cannot verify the statements that there's no tethering. So enjoy your Nexus S or Nexus 1 with tethering option, which is still available, and forget those statements on the internet and enjoy the use of your cell phone. Thanks for watching. From my point of view,